Suppose that x1, x2 and so on xn be random sample of size n. An estimated Tn calculated from this sample is said to be consistent estimator of parameter theta for all epsilon greater than 0 and n greater than 0 and n greater than or equal to m. If so, first of all, like we say, an estimator Tn is said to be consistent for theta if Tn tends to theta n probability. So convergence in probability. So convergence in probability means for every epsilon greater than 0, so probability of mod Tn minus theta less than epsilon tends to 1 as n tends to infinity. Or like we can say probability of mod Tn minus theta greater than epsilon tends to 0 as n tends to infinity. So if you see the options, like first option says expectation of Tn is theta. So this means unbiasedness. So not consistency. So option A is not correct. Option B says limit n tends to infinity, variance of Tn is equals to 0. So variance going to 0 alone is not sufficient. So option B is also not correct. And option C says probability of mod Tn minus theta less than epsilon is greater than 1 minus eta. So for epsilon greater than 0, this eta is also greater than 0 and sufficiently large n. So this is the equivalent definition of consistency. And option D, we are having like reverse inequality, so that is not correct. So therefore option C is the correct answer.